Alright, what's going on? We are not working on the Lancer, Mazda, or the Blazer today because according to the popular demand, as YouTube's everybody's saying and my brother's saying, is everybody wants more Hyundai Elantra content. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do today. He bought some new emblems for the car. What are those?
These are Brenthon. Brenthon.
Brenthon?
From Korea.
From Korea. Okay, well we're going to go ahead and throw them on there. We'll go ahead and show you guys what we're going to go ahead and do to get those on the car and show you the after product. So stay tuned. So we'll go ahead and just show you guys everything that's in this little kit that he bought. So you got a steering wheel. This is a big one, so this is probably here for the front. The rear, probably a couple sides. Not too sure yet. We'll figure all this out and then show you guys as we go. Well, there you go. That's what we're trying to aim for today. Man, look at that. You have a lot of options on here. The tooling required for this little project is you're going to need a heat gun or a little hair blow dryer. You're going to need a glue gun to go ahead and get the extra adhesive off that you cannot get off. And then you may possibly need fishing wire or floss will do. We'll go ahead and see how that's going to work. Alright, we're going to start off things with the front emblem. So we're going to go ahead and heat this up, get the adhesive nice and warm underneath. That way it's kind of gooey. And we should be able to pull this off. If not, we're going to use some fishing line or you can use dental floss. Kind of go back and forth and cut that up. Alright, so we got the front emblem off. There was a couple hiccups, as you guys can tell. There's the 4 clips here, and there's 2 little retaining little nuts on the back. So my brother actually pulled off his bumper, broke off those 2 little tabs or little nuts right there, and he was able to pop it out. So since we didn't know what was on the back of there, he just went ahead and pulled off his bumper anyways, and I guess that's like what he loves doing. But yeah, so just know this isn't on here with just adhesive. This actually has a couple clips on there, and if you guys don't plan on reusing this, you can just bust your emblem off and be done with it.
Alright, for the back, we're not even going to use the heat gun or anything. You can just use good old fishing line or dental floss, whatever you got. You're just going to want to go right up behind it and just go left to right. You don't need to put pressure, just left to right. Like butter. Then there's a little bit of 3 mil left over. Just go ahead and peel that off.
So we didn't even have to heat up this back side. They're just popping off pretty easy. Alright, rear Elantra is gone. Rear Hyundai emblem is gone. There's what that's gonna look like. Just got the 1 little clip there, the 2 little holes. And we also just got done cleaning up both ends. That way we have a clean surface to put on our new emblem.
Alright, for this one, guys, you're just going to stick the 3M tape right over the emblem itself, because if you look on the inside of here, it's hollow, and you don't want that empty airspace in case anything happens, it'll pop off. That way, if you ever do want to take this off, you could always just remove it and use some Goo Gone, and then it looks brand new.
Emblem is done. Let's get a closer look for you guys. I will say, I'll show you guys something that we just kind of saw. I mean, no one's going to really notice unless you guys notice from us pointing it out, but these do stick out a little bit further than what the stock ones have. These pretty much fit flush. These pretty much fit flush with the wheel. The other ones kind of extend a little bit, but nothing too crazy. Alright, just figured we played musical cars. We got the Rattler back in here, Blazer's back in its spot, Mazda's out there, and we pulled out my brother's car. So let's go ahead and get one more last look around at the car, and we'll close out this video. Alright, so that's going to wrap up today's little video. Anything you want to add?
Just for 2 to 3 days, I would let it cure. That way the 3 mil doesn't release if you give it a car wash or something like that. So it's the same thing with like when you get a wrap done or you get a, what is that thing called? A plasti dip. So let it cure.
So yeah, keep that in mind before you go ahead and wash your car. And the 3 mil he's talking about is that 3M double-sided tape. So want to make sure it runs its course. But yeah, so there you go. That's gonna end up this. It's gonna end up this video. So if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, as always, leave a comment down below. And we do owe you a nighttime shoot of this thing with the new headlights that he installed, or the headlight bulbs that we installed. So look forward to that too. So other than that, I just want to say thanks for watching. Never live your life without it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.